Hi, I'm Nick.
Hi, I'm Janet. We're volunteers for Port Macquarie Landcare.
And we're here to describe the program Aussie Kids Growing Koala Food Trees.
This program's been developed by Landcare in collaboration with Koala Smart, and it's funded by the New South Wales Government.
And the idea is to get a hands-on experience with kids learning about koalas and koala food trees.
Our goal's not just to equip students with the ability to be able to grow koala food trees, we also want to give them some sort of responsibility and make them aware about our planet and what we need to do to preserve ecosystems. So we visited schools for a few weeks and we assisted the staff and students. We did everything from identifying koala food trees that were local to the school, collecting some of the gum nuts and drying and extracting the seed from that. Then we planted that seed, watered it in the greenhouses, watched it grow and watched the seedlings pop up.
I loved how the students took all the knowledge that they gained and all the experiences, and they've taken it back home and they've told all their families and parents about what they've learnt, and they've actually started growing some other vegetables and everything at home. So they've really developed a love for growing things and supporting our local environment.
What I thought was fun was growing the trees and learning about koalas.
I think it was really fun, and my favourite part was when we went around and collected all of the little pods and we put them into a plastic bag, shook them up to get all of the seeds out of them.
By volunteering in this program, I've really enjoyed watching the students embrace conservation and all the information about koalas and seeing their happy faces when they've planted a seed and having it turn into a seedling.
One of the major joys of running this program is watching so many students get so excited about using the new skills they have, that their own hands can collect all these seeds and use the skills to make the koala food trees.
Yeah, I found it really great sharing my knowledge and experience with the students and just seeing them engage with the practical work of growing some seeds and then seeing a seedling, and yeah, the questions that they were asking were really good about koala conservation.
One day these small trees that you've grown will turn into huge koala trees ready for a hungry koala.
By taking part in this program, you'll be educating the next generation to help them with their awareness of koala conservation and ultimately wildlife habitats all over the world.
New South Wales Government is proud to support the development of this initiative and encourages schools to participate. It's a unique blend of factual insights and hands-on learning. It's unique in that it goes beyond the traditional tree planting and exposes kids to the intricate works that's involved in koala habitat conservation.